What's up, Kid Too Technical? I'm back again with another video. I said I'm back again with another video. So today I just wanted to go over Magic Eraser on my Google Pixel 6 Pro. I know this is not the Pixel 7 Pro, but Google Pixel did incorporate Magic Eraser on their Google device. So I think I made a short video of this, but I wanted to make a little longer video of this. So pretty much, how do you access Magic Eraser? So all you would need to do is just go into your Photos app. All you would want to do is just scroll until you find a photo that you want to move, something that you want to erase something. Once you find that photo, all you would want to do is hit edit. Once you hit edit, you want to scroll till you get to tools. Once you hit tools, as you can see, it has Magic Eraser. Once you're in Magic Eraser, all you want to do is pick what you want to erase. Erase it out. That's simple as that. It's supposed to work its magic. It doesn't really clear it as good as it should, but it does do the job. As you can see there, you cannot really tell that anything was behind there, and all you would have to do is hit done and erase it just like that. I just wanted to make that video, a full video about that, but I'm gonna also bring over my Z Fold 3 because Samsung also does this same feature. They just call it Object Eraser. So pretty much you just want to go to your gallery. Let's find a photo that you want to do the same to, and I'm bringing this in to show you. Google does a good job at doing Magic Eraser, but I believe Samsung does an even better job, because with Samsung you cannot tell that anything was there. So let me go find a good photo. I don't have the same photo, so that's gonna kind of suck, but let me just find a photo that I want to demonstrate this on real quick. Okay, so say I'm gonna rock with this photo right here. So pretty much the way to do it on Samsung is you go into your Photos app, you hit edit. Once you hit edit, then you hit the three dots at the bottom. Once you hit the three dots, then you hit Object Eraser. On your Google device, it's called Magic Eraser. On your Samsung device, it's called Object Eraser, but they pretty much do the exact same thing. So pretty much you want to do, you're gonna hit erase. So let's erase this little guy right here. And then let's just hit erase. And then let's just hit done. So pretty much they do the exact same thing, but I feel like Samsung does a way better job on their on Object Eraser than Google does with their Magic Eraser, because with the Google device, I don't know how well you can see that there looks like there are some dead pixels, which meaning that is where you can see something was there but it's no longer there. But with the Samsung device, as you can see here, this is clear. You cannot even tell that something was here in this photo. And I pretty much like it more on the Samsung side than on the Google Pixel side, because with the Google Pixel, I feel like they need to polish it up just a tad bit more. I'm not knocking Google, because I do like Google's devices, but I feel like they just need to touch it up a tad bit more to make it look like nothing was really there, because the whole point of it is to get rid of something unwanted. But you do not want to get rid of something and then be left with the little dead pixels and the little outline that something was once there, because people can notice it. You know, I noticed that just by looking at it. If you show this to somebody else, they could probably notice it too. So pretty much just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.